Cabin 2 is prepare for landing.
So this is my azu, my dry fish, just landed now. I packed them here. I'm going to show you other ones. Now right away, we're going to be packing soon. Yeah.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lions gonna come. The birds have just begun.
Let's go.
We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were soaring. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah,
We can't eat the Jerusalem.
I'm coming home. Savannah,
It's a special bread from Nigeria.
we'll never be alone. Savannah.
Special bread from Nigeria. Bright Star. So guys, I hope you are enjoying this video. Now we are boarding. You can't believe what happened today. The international airport here in Portharcourt really dealt with us today because of the visa issue. Well, I don't want to talk too much about that. That will be in a separate video. I'm going to analyze and tell you what really happened. They really spent our time and everything. That will be in another video. Just wait for it. You're going to watch it in full. What really happened, how they delayed us, and everything because of this new law now in Nigeria. So keep watching, guys. Yeah, as my children heard that we are going back to Germany, they are very happy to go and visit their place. They know it as their place, where they were born, where they are growing up. Yeah, but really, Biafra land is still my homeland. That is where I was born, and that is where I grew up, guys. So watch to the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also give us a thumbs up. Let us know if you are liking our videos. Very soon our blog, our travel video is going to be done, and we're going to continue in our normal posting. Keep watching, guys.
Looking for a place to learn how to cook. Chikwado space.
One in America and one in Japan. But we beg someone to come and stand up near me so that they can sit down. My baby girl. Today you are happy. Staying with your mama without crying, right? So look at the other family. They have seated. Okay. So we are in this.
We did lifestyles and product review, all in Chikwado space.
This is Chikwado space channel.
And the big girl, it's okay. I had it's gifted. The Lufthansa gifted my baby girl. Can you show them what you?
Okay.
This is a bouquet. Fish, shark. Lufthansa shark. Yeah. What do you have again? You have stockings. You also have this belt or what? I don't know.
No, it's a blindfold.
What?
A blindfold.
Okay. What do you have again? You have stockings. You have Haribo. It's a Haribo. And you have
A book, I think.
a book.
Oh, never mind.
Pencil.
Toothbrush.
Whoa. So, let's see the ones. Remove your hand so that they can see. You have the book to write and read. Tell a story. You have more. Show us everything. You have
book.
Cool. Can you open it?
I have more.
I have a lot of things.
Toothpaste.
Can I have it? Can I have it? Then show us this is cool. But you still have a lot. Can you bring all of them out? Let's see. Bring all out. Let's see. Wow. Tune. Then what do you have again?
And
Cool. That is chocolate. Huh?
yeah, and that's all.
And that's all. So pack them back. I thought this is a kiss parachute. I don't know that it's a exchange. When we are coming to Nigeria, you didn't receive any gift, right?
Yes.
Or did you?
Wait, they did.
You did not.
They did. They just gave me treats and
Sweet?
yes,
Okay.
chocolates and
Okay.
pencils.
Okay. That's great. So what will you say to Lufthansa?
Thank you.
Thank you, Lufthansa, for this wonderful gift. Okay.
Cabin crew is clear for landing.
It's landing. You're landing. just landed yet to Abuja, Nigeria. We are going to be moving in maybe 30 minutes time. We are waiting the Abuja people to boarding, and then we fly again. So I'll let them know when we reach there. I'm happy that all of us in one line. This is my baby girl, Naomi here, and my family are here. We are in one line today. All of us. See. So look at the outside of Abuja from the center. How the outside looks. It's around after 9 p.m. and we're going to reach around Germany. We're going to reach Germany around that time 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to reach around 6 o'clock according to our flights. So we're going to reach around at 6 p.m. to Frankfurt, and then we take ICE back to back. Yeah, Germany we come. Germany I come soon.
Wir fliegen noch einmal.
Yeah.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name. Grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so tame. We must merely make it shine. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah,